Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 21st, 2022, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, the Dow Jones continues to rally to the upside above 35,000. Now looking at the major economic events of the day at 7 p.m. South African time, out of the United States, we have Fed Chairman Powell will be speaking. Now looking at the various markets, starting out with the Forex symbols, the major pairs really unchanged, while the South African Rand takes a hit to 15 Rand per dollar. Now looking at these indices, the Dow Jones, as mentioned, rallies, but the NASDAQ remains weak. And that's really because some of the tech stocks still showing some weakness. Now looking at commodities, gold and oil waver as the tech stocks retreat. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin gains modestly. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we are, we're looking at the Euro USD, and look at this, a nice little rally for the Euro USD up to 109 after hitting a low of 107.69-ish level. So that's a nice little bounce just we got this morning, but that could correct itself because we are at resistance-ish level at this 109. Now looking at the Gbp Usd, also trading on 103.65-ish level, gaining so much, but not anything to really write home. Let's take a look at the USD Rand. Look at this, 1520 from 1464. A big change for the Rand as it's gotten weaker in a 4-hour chart. Now looking at a daily, it's the past 3 days that we've made this correction. Now we are getting to resistance-ish area, so I don't think we're going to make a correction, but I think we'll consolidate around this 1534-ish level. Now jumping into commodities, gold trading a little bit lower, 1945, but really just trading sideways right now. Looking at crude oil, we're trading sideways also at 103, so no big thing there. However, looking at the Dow Jones, look at this, back to 35,270. We're looking at a daily chart. That's really important. A daily chart at 35,200, and we've made ourselves back over 1,000 points over the past couple of weeks. So looking at it right now, we are at resistance. Fed Chairman Powell will be speaking today. So I wonder if this is just a dressed up rehearsal for a correction on the downside. So keep an eye on this, but it does look like it does want to take it higher as we're looking at that volume increasing throughout the time. So we're looking for the breakout. Let's see if we get it. And if we do, we could be back at that 36,000-ish level, maybe even to 35,700. So something to consider as this still unfolds. Now looking at the NASDAQ, didn't gain nothing, okay? Really very weak here. And you can see that it's really reflective of some of the stocks. If we look at Apple, it was down on the day. If we look at Facebook, also down on the day. Microsoft also down on the day. If we look at Amazon, also down on the day. So the tech stocks are leading us lower, and this may be a precursor to leading the market lower. So we just got to keep an eye on this as this still unfolds. Now looking at Bitcoin, trading at 41,956 as we're making a correctional move from our 42,000, but it did gain some of our losses until now. So keep that in mind as this continues to make that correction. This is Fred Razak, and I wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.